Hello friends, how are you? Manchester United boss Erik ten Hag has been sent a stern warning. Manchester United's Tom Heaton and club legend Dwight Yorke have very opposite opinions on new signing Andre Onana. The Cameroon international was signed from Inter Milan in a deal worth £47 million to replace David de Gea, who departed as a free agent. Erik ten Hag was the driving force in pushing to reunite with the 27-year-old, having worked with him at Ajax. Onana was seen as the ideal candidate to be the new United number one, with his ability to build out from the back, a very attractive attribute. Heaton has been full of praise for Onana since his arrival, telling MUTV, "He has been great. He is a real good lad and a great character. I have really enjoyed the style of his play. I think he will suit this manager and how he wants to play really well. Hopefully, I can learn a bit from him. I know I am getting older, but I am always trying to develop and evolve. Hopefully, I can offer him something about Premier League football and the requirements and the different challenges. He and I have got on really well so far, and I am looking forward to working with him and competing with him."